Immediately after sex, immediately after sex, get a salt, a cooking salt, um 1 spoon of cooking salt, put it on the table. 1 spoon, a normal spoon or teaspoon. Divide the salt into two. Are you with me? The first part of the salt, put it in water, like maybe 25 liters of water, put it, or 10 liters. So the second part of the salt, flush it in the toilet or you throw it away. So you now put your left leg in that salt water, wash it very well. Are you with me? So now add that water, that salt water, add it to another water that you can use to bathe every part of your body. Then you now use your left hand to get the water from the bucket and use it to wash every part of your body. Do not use your right hand. Do it after sex.